Today we are going to explore about the golden mean, the kind of balance that we require in our life so that we can be quite a bit balanced in our approach to various situations. In many cases, there is always a kind of thing that most of the time these people they are suffering, and they are suffering not because of their own karmas. They are suffering because they are not able to adjust. They are not able to contemplate how to go for the situations where good and evil both exist, just like light and darkness. This is the question that is generally avoided by great people. But there was one who told the whole world, and still he is known in the whole world to convey that yes, there is life possible. There is some kind of balance that everyone can have between good and evil, and that he called golden mean. But he never preached anything. Anybody who could learn from him could learn only with his company. Whatever teachings we get in the books on the name of Lord Buddha, he never preached any kind of thing in his life. He rarely spoke to anyone. Only 4 or 5 people were there whom he rarely talked. And if we are interested, we can find it out. But we find whole literature is written for Lord Buddha, and he did not told anyone to follow him. He even did not want that anybody should erect statues after him, because he was himself not a believer of these kind of things. He told everyone, be your own light. What does it mean? He is clearly telling that whatever your nature conveys you, whatever you find better for you, you go for it. But that should be keeping in view that there is no harm done to anyone. And this golden mean is a kind of balance that we need to keep. 100% gold we cannot use. We need to mix other things to make it useful. If we want that we are useful to society, if we can contribute something to our family, to the community we belong to the society we are living in, to the country whom we shall love in any case. Sometimes we find people criticizing India and they adore Western world. Go there and find out. And you will come to know there are problems like the problems we have here today. There are also poverty-stricken people. There are people who are mentally sick. There is a problem of weather. We live, fortunately, in such a place where Lord Buddha chose to come, where great people, they came and they conveyed that this is the heaven on earth. And to make this place a better one, we need to maintain a balance that is not disturbing us mentally and physically, and that is also not disturbing anyone who is near and dear to us. Same way we have obligations. We need to be grateful to our community, our society, our country, so that there is a kind of peace and harmony everywhere. That's all for today. Have a nice day. May God bless us all.